So how to use the Lidl Plus app in store. So to use the Lidl Plus app in store, it's very simple. So first things first, you obviously want to make sure you're signed in. But once you're signed in, you should come across the home page, which looks like this. And right where the arrow is pointing on screen, this will tell you how many points are within your Lidl account. So as you can see right now, we've got 100 points. So you can track it from the home page right here. But when it comes to actually using your Lidl card, so you can start earning points yourself, you'll need to scan your Lidl barcode at the till once you check out. So to open your Lidl card, you can go ahead and click right here. And then as you can see right here, you can then go ahead and scan your QR code at the till so you can go ahead and start earning points. Now when it comes to spending your points, if you click back right here to the home page and click on the points section right at the top here, it will then take you to this page here, which will give you a list of all the rewards that you're entitled to with the points you can afford. Obviously, naturally, the better the reward, the more points you'll need. So as you can see, we've got 100 right here. So right now, obviously, we can get things like donuts, as you can see right here. But obviously, if you continue scrolling all the way down, it will list all the rewards that you can get with your points. And they are quite a lot of rewards you can claim, so you can go ahead and browse the whole menu from here. However, if you don't fancy any of these rewards and you simply just want a discount, you can click this money off section right here, and instead you can opt to claim a coupon. But anyway, just to show you how the reward section works. Now say if you want to claim a reward, so for example, let's say you want to claim this donut right here, you'll go ahead and click it. And once you've clicked it, you can go ahead and press exchange right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked exchange, click confirm, and there you have it. And you've successfully claimed your reward within the Lidl app. And if you click see coupon, you'll see your coupon for your reward right at the top here where all your coupons are. And if you go back to the home page, this now leads us on to the next part of the video, which shows you all your coupons. So when you're back on the home page here, you'll simply just want to click on coupons right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on coupons, it will bring you back to this page here. So as you can see, right at the top is your reward that you redeemed earlier, but you also have access to more coupons that Lidl have added for you automatically, depending on whatever sale they're doing. So for example here, they're offering 15% off milk. So it will tell you the discount, and it will also tell you how long you've got to use that coupon. So as you can see right now, it's just an offer that's valid for today. So if you click activate, this coupon is now activated within your Lidl account. So when you scan your Lidl card at the till, the Lidl employee will then be able to apply the discount to your account, and it's as simple as that. And going back to coupons, rewards work exactly the same. So for example, back on our donut reward, if you click activate, again the reward is now activated, and you'll now be entitled to a free donut when you scan your Lidl Plus card at the till. And there you have it. And before we wrap up the video, I'm just going to show you one more section on the app. So when you're back on the home page, if you click offers right here, it will then give you a list of all the offers Lidl have exclusively for Lidl Plus members. So you can go ahead and scroll from here, have a look at what's on sale and what's not. So this is of course handy when it comes to planning your weekly shop. And that pretty much covers the basics. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.